Hi, my name is Alli Iler, and I am a newscast producer at WALB News 10 in Albany, Georgia. It is my hometown news station.
Thanks, Yolanda. Well, now we have an update to a story that we brought you within just the past 30 minutes.
I am the 6 p.m. producer. It's a 30-minute show.
We do have high clouds out there, only 19 in Cordele.
Let's go.
As soon as I walk in the door, it is time for our morning editorial meeting. So this meeting is producers, reporters, all of our news managers, meteorologists, so they can give us the lowdown on what's happening weather-wise. Of course, this can always change because of breaking news, which happens more often than you would think in a small town.
Stay off the roads unless it's
So it's pretty much different every day, which is really exciting. It keeps things interesting. But the 6 p.m. is a little bit different than some of our other shows because it is only local, state, and regional content.
Check out this video from Buckhead yesterday afternoon when a car crashed into the bus.
So basically, the golden rule is if it doesn't happen in Georgia, it's not going in my show. It can be pretty stressful, but also really fun.
Once again, fans and gamers can now retry their hand at Star Wars Episode 1 Jedi Power Battles.
I always finish with a post-show meeting, and that's the end of my day, and that's the day in the life of me as a 6 p.m. newscast producer.